Hello, Tashi Delek. Uh, Happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues. Each and every year, I receive a lot of greetings from students. So this year is very special. I receive a lot of greetings from outside of our institutions who watch my YouTube channel constantly, and especially I receive greetings from our own students within the institutions. And this morning when I came out of my room, it was very surprise to me that commerce department students, they have stick a big poster on my door, and they have shared their feeling, and it truly means a lot to me. So thank you so much. It was a very big surprise, and I would like to say that it is my honor and privilege that I have such a good students like you in my life. I'm lucky. Thank you so much, especially for the commerce department students. Thank you. Have a good day.